Most of you know me as the king of laundry, self-proclaimed. I have other assets and other investments, land, property, and one of the things I really enjoy is physical gold. Just like purchasing firearms or knives or daggers, it's exciting. You purchase the stuff at a certain price and sell it at a better. There's a lot of folks that talk about their assets and they're paper millionaires, if not billionaires. What do I mean? If you own X amount of stocks and you hold that stock, sure, there's a value there. But if you don't sell it, what have you really earned? I get in these conversations with friends and associates and even folks that consult with me, and they say, oh yeah, my net worth is $7 or $8 million. Okay, do you live in a mansion? Do you own a yacht? I'm not saying that's rich. Rich is family. Rich is whatever you think it is. But let's talk about just this one thing. I purchased several ounces of gold back in 1994, $411 an ounce. Well, we don't have a time machine. Back then it was expensive. Did anyone know it would go to $2,000? I didn't, but I speculated that it would go up. So this is 10 ounces of U.S. Walking Liberty gold at $411 in 1994. I'm going to be selling it today. I walk into a coin dealership, he will literally give me $100 bills or a check if I so desire. Off the record, $20,000, the same product, the same physical asset. Not many things go up. Maybe Rolexes or watches, Harley Davidsons, guns, but that's a different video for a different story, isn't it? I just bought 107 acres in northern Arizona. As they say, God ain't making any more of it. $4,000 purchased in 1994. Today, this handful of gold is worth $20,000. Just happens to be the number I need as part of the deposit for the land I'm purchasing. Very excited for me, my family, what we'll be doing with that land and property. Keep following. Here's the thing. I enjoy having physical gold in my hand. Hi, I'm Sheldon Devane. There's a $16,000 profit here, and all I had to do was sit on it. It's been a few years, and look, you could speculate that it's going to go up even more, and it may, but I'm never going to complain about that. I play dice in Vegas. If I lose money, I had a good time. I don't bring money to pay the mortgage. This is an exquisite physical asset and something that I just enjoy doing. Keep following the journey, and hell, if you're watching this because you're excited about gold, why not look into owning laundromats? Freelaundromat.com. You can do it. Why is it free laundromat? Because if you purchase a laundromat, you are fucking up. Go out, sign a long-term lease, retool the store with other people's money, make money, rinse and repeat. That's the whole system. I call it free laundromat because that doesn't fit on a business card. I'm Danny. Thanks for watching this.